Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Nikunjot Kaur. Today, we'll study about the history and applications of bioprocess engineering. Bioprocesses, as we all know, that they have been required for human survival since the beginning of the human culture, and it has been used and utilized for satisfying different needs of human beings. This dates bioprocess technology. It is an extension of basically that those ancient techniques which were developed at that time for production or for manufacturing of significant products by using natural or biological activities. One major example is that our ancestors they made alcoholic liquid beverages. For this, they used a bioprocess method, the combination of live yeast cells and nutrients, to create a fermentation system in which the organisms use the nutrients for their own growth. And while doing so, they produced a byproduct that was alcohol and carbon dioxide, and that byproduct was of human use, and that byproduct helped humans to prepare or to manufacture liquid beverages. Today's modern bioprocess technology, this is also based on the same principle of that method, the ancient method, that today also we are combining living matter, that is whole organisms or their enzymes, with nutrient supplements, and we give this a controlled condition, keep them under controlled condition, and to synthesize the specific product. Modern biotechnology, it started with general knowledge about biological system, their components, and the interactions in between them. Right? When this general knowledge it grew, the modern biotechnology and modern bioprocess technology, it grew along with that. In the first half of the 20th century, the first large-scale fermentation products were synthesized. They were penicillin and citric acid. They were synthesized at a very big level. Then the process of recombinant technology came, and this led to a substantial increase in the number of bioprocesses and their manufacturing volume, starting with insulin. Insulin is the first product manufactured with the help of recombinant DNA technology. Then the most highly visible significance it has been in the area of healthcare, with production of various healthcare products such as interferons, tissue plasminogen activators, human insulin, erythropoietin, and monoclonal antibody-based bioproducts. In addition to that, usage of new products for agriculture, for food industry, good chemicals, and environment, they are also under intense development. Thus, the field of bioprocessing, it has been a very significant part of biotechnology since beginning of the human society. Coming to the applications of bioprocess engineering, what bioprocess engineering does, it uses the ability of microbes to produce a great variety of bioproducts, right, for medical, industrial, and agricultural significant. In current time, computer-based bioreactors, they are used to create a quantity large or we can say best quantity and best quality of important biological materials such as recombinant proteins, antibiotics, or viral vaccines or amino acids. Many of the potent new drugs, they are also generated in eukaryotic living cells with express poor productivity as versus to classical fermentation processes. In classical fermentation processes, we were using bacteria, and bacteria they grow at very large number, and their production is very high. As compared to that, eukaryotic cells, they are a little tricky to handle, and the production in them, the amount of the product synthesized in them is less. We can say they produce less yield, but these cells, they produce better quality of the product. So in nowadays we are using eukaryotic cells to produce the products more which are of better quality for human beings. Now, the fundamental work in biomolecular interactions and many different significances, they are also being researched, and that includes the work in food preservation and food processing, the manufacturing of pharmaceuticals, air and wastewater treatment, then bio-based structural motifs for supramolecular architectures, microfluidistics, where they are used in bioreactors. Like, so the research is still going on, and the bioprocess engineers, they are trying to find out the solutions for the shortcomings in all these industries. This is regarding the applications and history. Thank you.